As we go into the spring market, the second major insight for me is a lot of us don't take into consideration market cycles. And I've had a lot of conversations this week about market cycles. And I was also trying to remind a bunch of you of what the value is of your housing market report. Market cycles are super important because real estate follows a very predictable annual pattern. We go from the holidays, November, December, then we go into the new year, January, February, and then what starts to happen in March, what starts to happen in April, May, June, and then depending on your marketplaces, they adjust a little bit. I know in California, we shut down in June. A lot of your guys' markets maybe shut down closer to August. There's this window here. And it's the same damn window every year. So one of those conversations I was having with one of my coaching clients is they're like, we're so overwhelmed. I need to hire someone. And in my mind as a business coach was like, what do you mean hire someone right now? It's too late. When should we have hired someone? Should have been in January. So that now 60 to 90 days later, that hire is fully operational during what should be the most busy time of your season, of your business. It's just a reminder that as a group, as real estate professionals, we all have to remember that when we are in our down market cycles, that's the time to do hiring. That's the time to work on your listing systems, your buyer systems, work on all your process. Those are the times so that we have optimized to an entire new level. When all the busyness kicks in, you can now service more customers with a higher level of quality to the customer and a better quality of life to you. That's the game. So one of the big points as we were going into this, oh man, these darn real estate cycles, we as a group, between Tom Ferry, myself as the consultants and coaches to you guys, we got to remind you guys about that a little bit more. And I need you to also remember that too. The other common thing that happens during those down cycles is most of you guys go into these negative tailspins because you're like, I know, but I'm not busy right now, so I can't hire someone. Because what if I don't ever sell another house again? We got to remember that stuff, guys. In the month of July, Patrick, what's going on with the market? You guys, inevitably, I'll have 65 clients and 20 of them in the month of July will ask me that question. What's going on? My escrows are down. I don't have that much going on. It's July, like the same July that we had last year. Here, let me pull up the transcript from last July. You did the exact same thing. It's just reminding me of the cycle. It's the same one every year. Let's get better at that. Hey everybody, the first appointment setting game event was a success. For those of you who've been following along the channel and learning about the tag event at the Tom Ferry headquarters in Orange County, beautiful building, his amazing facility. We hosted 40 real estate agents, 100% focused on booking appointments. And we ended up with roughly 3,600 dials out, 512 conversations recorded, 84 appointments booked, 92 new lead opportunities discovered. We had such a blast. I just want to make sure that everybody has a good time. If you're brand new to making cold calls, to make those first calls, generate those first leads, and get over the hump. I had Michelle, she says, hey, thank you so much for getting me back on the horse with my discipline of prospecting. And then she said, the listing appointment that I booked, they're going to go with us. I got a great text from Brandon, a picture of the listing contract signed from the appointment that he booked at the event. Here's the problem. We're just working on the logistics of the next session and the calendar. To learn more is to go down below and just get yourself signed up on the wait list. I can just give you the direct announcements of when the next event is so that you can make sure that you reserve your spot before anyone else. I'm assuming these events will sell out. There's not enough room to have a lot of people in there. If you sign up for the wait list, I will also add you into my sales conversion newsletter. This week, I'm going to be interviewing Avi Becker on his entire breakdown of the absentee owner, the scripting, the mindset, the tool, the resources, everything that he's doing. So just go down below, get signed up. I look forward to having you at that next event.